Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about tables in HTML, part of Web Technologies course. In HTML, tables are used to organize and present data in a structured, tabular format. They are created using the table tag and its related tags tr for table row, th for table header, and td for table data, and caption for table caption. Here is a simple example of a table. This code will create a table with a caption sales data and 3 columns product, quality, and price, and 3 rows of data. The th data is used to create the table headers, and the td tag is used to create table data. The caption tag is used to add a caption to the table. And here is the output of the HTML that we created. You can also use the col span and row span attributes to merge cells horizontally or vertically. For example, this code will create a table with 2 rows and 3 columns. The first cell in the first row will span 2 rows. The second cell in the first row will contain B, and the third cell in the first row will contain C. The first cell in the second row will be empty because it is covered by the first cell in the first row. The second and third cells in the second row will be merged into a cell and contain D. You can also use CSS to control the appearance of tables, such as changing the background color, font color, and border style. For example, you can use a border property to add a border to the table. It is also possible to use class or ID attributes to style specific tables, rows, or cells. In summary, tables are used to organize and present data in a structured tabular format in HTML. They are created using table tag and its related tags tr, th, td, and caption for table caption. You can use the col span and row span attributes to merge cells horizontally or vertically. It's also possible to use CSS to control the appearance of the tables and use class or ID attributes to style specific tables, rows, or cells. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.